So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how I do my rolled hem. In the instruction, I don't talk about the rolled hem. I just recommend that you use your manufacturer's directions to do this. But I have a Brother 1034D, and I have it set up for a rolled hem. So my right needle is out, my left needle is in, and I have my machine loaded with 2 spools of woolly nylon, and that's going to go for my loopers. And then I just have regular a cone of thread for my needle thread. And I have my left needle, that's this orange one, set to 4. And then I have my looper set at 3 and the other one at 5. Okay, so for my other settings, I have, let's see, my differential here is set to 7, or excuse me, 0.7. And my knife is engaged. My stitch length is set to rolled. And let's see, my stitch width is also set to rolled, and this can all be found in your handbook for your Brother 1034D. So the next steps are pretty easy. We raise our foot, we put our fabric underneath. Now I did not cut any of my fabric off. I'm going to use my blade to cut that 1/2 inch off. So I'm going to drive it so that's up here. And I'm doing this to the right side. This is the right side of my fabric. And I'm just going to keep that up until I have come back to where I've started. Okay, so I've done my rolled hem all the way around, and now I'm back to where I've started. So I don't want to, start or finish where I started, because it was a 1/2 inch longer, so I'm cutting that off right now. And then I need to get the fabric out of there, so that's what I'm gonna do. So now I've covered where I started when I was cutting a 1/2 inch off. So my needle is up, my foot goes up, and I'm just gonna kind of move that to the side there so that it clears the needle. And then I'm gonna just run it off. Just like that. You can take it and clip it, or you can just run it back through here and cut it with your blade, just like that. So to finish up my rolled hem, I'm just gonna thread in my tail here. So just like that.